Cintas itself is built upon a reduce, reuse, recycle mindset. Back in the 1920s, Doc and Amelia Farmer built their business by collecting used shop rags and then laundering them and selling them back to Cincinnati area businesses.
Sustainability and energy efficiency plays a key role for us, primarily because our products are delicate and they require a lot of attention that we provide to our customers. Engineering is constantly looking for ways to find equipment that is more reliable, more energy efficient, to ultimately reduce our reliance on energy. Redaptive has been a great partner of ours. The changes we've made through Redaptive had a dramatic impact on our partners as well as our customers.
Cintas has 475 locations. We have an ambition to reach net zero by 2050. One of our opportunities that we identified early on was LED lighting.
Anytime we're implementing a new idea, a new concept, a new product, the first thing we do is look at how it impacts our customer. Secondly, how it impacts our frontline partners. The third thing we look at is what's the financial impact.
With Redaptive, we have been able to install LED lighting at more than 100 Cintas locations, and that's over 6 million square footage of space.
It's not something that we could do on our own in the time frame that we did it in. Redaptive is a solution-based company. They're a welcomed partner here at Cintas. Our customers feel it because we've saved on the other side of the equation. Our partners feel it in morale, in safety, in lighting.
With what Redaptive has put into place, it's really helped with just the overall environment that our partners are working in to allow them to really be focused on their productivity and just give them a really great working environment to be in.
The financial impact that Redaptive has provided has been pretty significant. We've saved $2.2 million in annual gross savings. We've eliminated 18.7 million annual kilowatt hours. Additionally, over 7,000 annual tons of carbon eliminated from the environment. I definitely see an expanded role for Redaptive moving forward. In fact, we are currently involved in a pilot with Redaptive at our Piscataway, New Jersey facility for solar. I think the key takeaways for our leadership is that we want them to see that we're engaged. We're not waiting to 2050 to start. We're looking at all avenues to see where it makes the most sense, where our dollar has the best return, and it's not just lighting, it's being better environmental stewards.